we have redesigned the float valve. And the result is a simple, compact, and versatile device that is specifically designed to be the best automatic, high-flow, float valve that operates through a single, inflow, outflow pipe. Float valves play a part through the multiple stages that allow a city to supply its water. Before water ever reaches a home or industry, it must first be sourced. This water is treated and then it will reach a pumping station, which will deliver the fresh water up the city's water reservoir or tank. This reservoir is equipped with a valve to control its water level. When the city demands water, these towers and tanks work with gravity, and deliver the water through the city's underground water system. As the water travels through this pipe system, it will reach the city's homes and industries and fill the water tanks. And as water is used, it will empty from the tank. Some tanks have an older style float valve. This style valve is installed near the top of the tank, and is connected to the city's incoming water pipe. The float is connected to an arm that has an adjustment screw at the end. This is used to preset the amount of water allowed into the tank. When the water level rises, the float rises with it. Once it rises to the preset level, the mechanism forces the lever to close the valve and shut off the water flow. As water is used, it will empty the tank through an outlet pipe located near the bottom of the tank. There are many problems associated to this old-style valve. A common problem found is that the adjustment screw can become loose or wear out, and this will prevent the valve from closing. This will cause the tank to overfill, spilling onto your roof, and wasting clean water. This could lead to costly roof repairs. The old-style valve requires the tank to have two pipes to operate. One pipe is used to fill the tank and the other is to empty the tank. It also calls for a professional plumber to complete this installation. These lead to extra expenses. This old-style float valve needs to be installed near the top of the tank, and requires high water pressure to be present in order to reach the top of it and fill the tank. If the water pressure is low, the water will not be able to reach the top of the tank to allow it to fill. The location of the inlet pipe leaves it exposed to the weather. And in cold temperatures this pipe will freeze and break, preventing water to fill the tank, and causing leaks that will damage the roof, and waste water until it is fixed. The new float valve, Flovald, was conceived as a solution that provides a simpler, and lighter float valve with the ability to fill storage tanks from the bottom. The Flovald valve is installed near the bottom of the tank, and works with a single inflow-outflow pipe. This is a cost-saving valve because it only uses one pipe to fill and empty the tank, versus the old style requiring two pipes. You also save money using this Flovald valve because it installs in seconds, and you do not need a professional to install it. A major benefit from using the Flovald valve is that it will allow the tank to fill even when there is low water pressure from the city pipes. Its revolutionary design allows it to be installed near the bottom of the tank, and the water does not have to travel to the top of it, as it would with the old-style valve to fill the tank. The Flovald valve resists freezing by operating completely submerged in water. The new float valve, Flovald, in addition to representing savings in cost, allows to supply water from the fountain directly, even when the storage tank is empty. For more information on this innovative float valve design and technology, visit our website at www.flovald.com or contact us directly at 713-357-6152.